I'm tired. Alright, well, good morning. It is April 27th. I'm in Yuma, Arizona. I figured I would film a little day in the life of what I do when I'm truck camping. You can probably hear the cars in the background anyway. I'm posted up at Cracker Barrel and I've been sleeping here the past couple of nights. It's my birthday today and I figured I would keep myself busy and film some sort of vlog on what I do on a day-to-day basis. This is a day in the life of living out of my truck. So I woke up this morning, it's like 6:30 in the morning right now. I've been waking up pretty early in Arizona. It seems like the sun is rising earlier. I'm not really hungry for breakfast and I don't feel like getting out of the truck quite yet, so I'm actually going to do some editing. I'm going to pull out my laptop and edit some of the Kofa videos, so that should be pretty cool. I'll do that for an hour or two at the most, and then I'll get up and do my normal morning routine. Heading to FedEx to pick up an important package.
Hello.
How's it going?
How can I
I
help?
was hoping to pick up a package. Camelback ladder for camping. Dang. Pack cover for my pack. Matches it because it's blue. Oh my gosh, this is too much. Sick. Usually do the card first anyway. Sunscreen, always need that. Nice, more gift cards to BP and Cracker Barrel. And Shell. Nice. Ooh, a shampoo bar, that's pretty cool. Rosemary mint shampoo bar. John Steinbeck travels with Charlie in search of America. Quest across America from the northernmost tip of Maine to California's Monterey Peninsula. Sounds like a guy's trip with his French poodle. Maybe I should write a book too. These bows are awesome. Ooh, nice. A new hat. I've been wearing the same hat this whole trip, so that's nice. Sweet. More REI gear. They got me a can opener. And we're concerned. Well, don't be concerned. Nothing to be afraid of. Thank you so much for the can opener. Really appreciate it. And it means that you're watching the videos too, which I also appreciate. This one looks a lot nicer than the one I had before. Probably saw me cutting open my cans with this knife or one of my other knives. Ooh, wow. Are these shorts? Board shorts, yeah. Some new board shorts. Those are really cool. In time to go to California too. Wow, all this stuff is amazing. Thank you so much, seriously. Just talked to my mom for a bit, and now I think I'm gonna head into Starbucks and get some more work done. Alright, I'm taking a break from working in Starbucks. I actually surprisingly finished editing the Kofa video, and that's uploading now. Leave my laptop in there while it's uploading. It'll probably take a few hours. Just came out here and made lunch, and I'm gonna chill in the truck for a little bit. When something is uploading, that's kind of my priority, and I can't really do anything else. But yeah, I usually just make a simple lunch, some sort of sandwich and a bar or a piece of fruit, banana, apple, something like that. This is how I set up the truck during the day. I have the blackout window curtains on all 4 doors, and they're magnetic and they stick to the outside of the truck up here. Easily fold and hang down and connect to each other and everything, so those are really nice. And then I have the sunshade in the front, of course. Just use these things to keep it up. I usually just have the solar panel laying flat on the truck, partially because it gets almost as much as if I had it leaning and tilted up. I would have to keep rotating it all day to follow and keep up with the sun as it moves. I put these twist ties through the solar panel, and then I twist them up and put them inside the truck, and I can still close the door on top of it, so that keeps the wind from blowing off the solar panel, and it also keeps people from stealing it. It's one step of security that keeps someone from stealing it. Someone could easily cut it or something like that, but I don't know. That's kind of my system with the solar panel. Might as well test out the new REI hat. It looks fresh. Alright, well my video wasn't uploading. I tried it at 4K resolution and it was gonna take like 3 or 4 hours. And then I tried it at 2K resolution and that was gonna take like 2 or 3 hours. So I was like, nah, I don't need to upload it today. I uploaded a video yesterday and I was just gonna upload this one today and keep it private for a few days and then make it public and I don't know, over the weekend. But I can easily upload it tomorrow or another day. I can go to the library or someplace with better Wi-Fi. No problem at all. It's like 4 o'clock now, and I think I'm going to head to a different parking lot, one with more space, and maybe clean the truck a little bit before I head into California. It's pretty dusty back there, so I think I can do some good cleaning and reorganizing. Alright, I found a nice spot with some shaded parking. There's solar panels in the library parking lot. Alright, well I just did a pretty thorough cleaning of the back of my truck. I took everything out, cleaned all the dust off of it, reorganized everything. That was a good, like, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours honestly cleaning. So it's like 8 o'clock right now and I'm heading to Planet Fitness to work out. I'm gonna do shoulders and back, lift some weights, and then take a shower.
Let me be great. We'll get to see a ceiling. We just top what we top. Cause the bars don't struggle when the struggle don't stop.
It's getting pretty late after working out at Planet Fitness, so decided to treat myself to some In-N-Out. I got a double-double with fries and a chocolate shake. First I thought I would cook something big or something special, but I figured I would just get some In-N-Out, I don't know.